Hi there, how are you? You're in the mood for a veggie pasta bake and have run out of Italian seasoning? Don't worry, you'll be able to make it a fusion dish and save the day. Easy hack, and your folks will love it. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? To make the white sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, put that on low heat. Just let that melt. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of maida, all-purpose flour, and cook it on low heat till the raw smell of the flour goes away. I'm making 2 cups of white sauce, so I'll add in 2 cups of milk, but a little at a time. Break up the lumps. Take it off the heat if you have to, and then add in the rest of the milk and mix it. Don't stop whisking till everything is smooth and combined. Season with salt and pepper. Cook it on low heat till it thickens slightly. So the sauce has thickened and I see bubbles appearing on it. I'll turn it off and let it cool down. These are the ingredients for the vegetable layer. I'll tell you all about them as we go along. 2 tablespoons of oil heating up. I'll add in the onion. That's 1 medium onion, finely chopped. And fry it up. Once that's got a light color on it, capsicum, again a medium capsicum chopped finely. Let's add in the mushroom. That's about 200 grams of mushroom chopped roughly. Toss this for half a minute. Once it starts to release water, add in the carrots, 1 large carrot, boiled, half a cup of boiled peas, teaspoon of grated garlic, seasoned with salt, a teaspoon of coriander powder, black pepper powder to taste, a teaspoon of chana masala powder. Yes, you heard right. Give it all a mix and cook it for a minute. You could use any other pre-mixed masala. Add in a tablespoon of flour, all-purpose. So this is going to help thicken the sauce. That we'll add to it. So as soon as the raw smell goes away, add in a cup of fresh tomato paste and some chili sauce according to taste. Mix it up and cook it for 2 minutes. I reserved some of the pasta water and I'll add in about half a cup of it. Bring that to a boil. That looks nice. Love the sizzle. Taste it and adjust the seasoning. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. This is 2 heaped cups of boiled pasta. You could use any pasta, doesn't matter. To this, I'll add in about a cup of the white sauce and a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Toss it up so that everything is mixed well. Just remember that the white sauce should be at room temperature, otherwise the cheese will melt. So just mix it up and keep it to a side. The vegetable filling has cooled down completely, so I'll just add in some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Have you subscribed to my channel already? I'm using a 1.5 liter rectangular dish to bake the pasta. A drizzle of olive oil right at the base. So just spread that out. And the base layer will be the vegetable layer. Add it in. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. All of it goes in. Spread it out evenly. Top it up with the pasta that I had mixed with cheese and the white sauce. Spread it out to cover the vegetables. To the remaining white sauce, I'll add in half a cup of processed cheese that I grated and mix it in. Pour it over the pasta to cover it all over the surface. More processed cheese on top. Some breadcrumbs. Put it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes till the oven is heating up. Drizzle some olive oil on top right before you put it in the oven. Bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So our pasta bake is out of the oven and there's a nice color to it. The vegetable filling has oozed out perfectly. Smells yummy. And look at that. Serve it hot with bread rolls or garlic bread and enjoy.